We've heard the calls and received plenty of emails from people who are concerned about the impact of budget cuts at the Lane County Jail. And now we're looking at how you could end up paying. Good evening. I'm Brian Richardson.
And I'm Brandy Smith. When crime rates go up, so do home insurance rates. KEZI 9 News reporter Kelsey Card is live in the studio with our top story at 6. Kelsey?
Brian and Brandy, I spoke with a local insurance agent who told me crime rates are a factor when figuring out how much you pay to insure your home. But it might be too soon to tell if Lane County's cuts are affecting your bottom line. Home insurance rates are derived from many different factors. One of them is claims rates. If property crime rises in a certain area, so can premiums.
So if we have a lot more losses in an area, eventually we do see increased rates.
The Lane County Sheriff's Office can't say whether property crime is up in outlying areas, but deputies can say this.
We're not able to respond to property crime calls. We aren't able to hold people for the lower level crimes, which turn out to be your property crimes.
Eugene police confirm they've seen more property crime in the past couple of years. From 2010 to 2011, it increased by 12.5%, and this year so far, it's up again by 5%. EPD says they've seen a direct connection between the closed jail beds and property crime rates. From May 2008 through August 2009, when the Lane County jail capacity dropped from 273 to 168 beds, Eugene's property crime rate rose by 24%.
And now we're down to 135 beds for local offenders, which is a fraction really of what we should have.
As property crimes have gone up, so have home insurance rates. But agents say the two aren't necessarily linked yet.
We wouldn't take rate action because we had a property crime rate spike for a few months. But if we saw a trend and it looked stable, we would probably see that impacted in rates eventually.
The Lane County Sheriff's Office wants to turn that trend around. That starts with finding more funding for the jail. Deputies hope they can find a solution before the rates rise any more.
We're all going to have to pitch in, and there's some great ideas out there. We've been looking to other counties to see what they're doing in their models. My hope is that we don't get far enough down the line that insurance rates hike like that.
Insurance agents encourage their clients to be proactive, leave lights on, pick up packages, try to look home when you're not. EPD has been holding community forums about neighborhood crime prevention, and the Lane County Sheriff's Office has regular community meetings to discuss the funding crisis at its level. Live in the studio, Kelsey Card, KEZI 9 News.